Hello everyone. In this video, we discussed two examples. Here, the first example is a generating station has a connected load of 50 megawatt and a maximum demand of 30 megawatt. The unit generated 75 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 per annum. Calculate the demand factor and the load factor. Okay. Now, demand factor, definition of demand factor is ratio of maximum demand upon connected load. Okay, demand factor is given by maximum demand upon connected load. Okay, we have maximum demand 50 megawatt and connected load. Generating station has a connected load of 50 megawatt and maximum demand is 30 megawatt. So here maximum demand is 30 megawatt and connected load is 50 megawatt. After calculating 30 upon 50, you can get 0.6. Okay, that is your demand factor, maximum demand upon connected load. That is the answer, first answer. Now, second, load factor. Second one is load factor. Now, definition of load factor is average demand upon maximum demand. We know that we have maximum demand 30 megawatt. Okay, but we have not given average demand. So first task is to find out average demand. So I am find here average demand. Okay, you have to given unit generated 75 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 per annum. Okay, that is unit generated per annum. So we can find average demand is equal to unit generated per annum upon hours in year. Okay, total hours in year. We know that in one day 24 hours and in year there are 365 days. Okay, so if you multiply 24 multiply by 365, then you get 8760 hours, total hours in year. Okay, and unit generated given is 75 multiplied by 10 to 6, that is per annum. After calculating this ratio, you get answer 8562 kilowatt. Okay, 8562 kilowatt. Now we have average demand. Okay, so I am putting this value in this formula. Load factor is equal to average demand upon maximum demand. Now average demand is 8562 kilowatt and our maximum demand is 30 megawatt. Here that is in kilowatt and that is megawatt. So I am converting maximum demand 30 megawatt in kilowatt, that is 30 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Okay, so that you can get the answer load factor 0.2854. Okay, that is your second answer, load factor, average demand upon maximum demand. Okay, now next example, the domestic load in residential building is used in following manner. Fluorescent lamp 55 watt each, 4 numbers, 6 hours per day. Fluorescent lamp 55 watt and there are 4 numbers and daily consumption is 6 hours. Okay, fans 70 watt each, 4 numbers, 8 hours per day. Refrigerator 300 watt 12 hours per day, heater of 1000 watt 2 hours per day, television of 150 watt 8 hours per day. And our task is to find connected load, daily load factor, total cost of energy for 30 day, the rate of rupees 3 unit, at the rate of unit rupees 3 per unit. The cost of 1 unit is 3. Okay. So first, our task is to find out connected load. Okay. Connected load. That is residential building, and total connected load. Total connected load is four numbers 55 watt fluorescent lamp. So I am multiplying 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, here you have to given 55 watt each, and that is 4 numbers. Then plus 4 numbers 70 watt fan. So I multiply 4 multiplied by 70 plus refrigerator 300 watt, and total numbers of refrigerator is 1. Here numbers not given, so that refrigerator is 1. 1 multiplied by 300 watt plus heater of 1000 watt, so 1 multiplied by 1000, television of 150 watt 8 hours per day, and total number is 1, so I am writing here 1 multiplied by 150. Okay, after calculating 55 multiplied by 4, that is 220 plus 280 plus 300 plus 1000 plus 150, and total connected load, that is 9 1950 watt. After summing all this, you can get answer 1950 watt. That is total connected load for this residential building. Okay. Now our task is to find out daily load factor. In last example, in previous example, we find load factor, that is average demand upon maximum demand. Okay, but here our task to find daily load factor. Okay, daily load factor. So here we have to find daily average demand upon maximum demand, that is maximum energy in a day. Okay, maximum demand, that means maximum energy consumption in a day, because here our task to find daily load factor. Okay, so first, for daily load factor, I am calculating daily consumption, that is our device, and energy consumption per day. Okay, energy consumption per day. First is fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent lamp. Okay, fluorescent lamp is 55 watt, total number is 4, and working time is 6 hour per day. Okay, after multiplying, you get 1320 watt hour, that is energy consumption per day for fluorescent lamp. Now second, fan. Okay, 70 watt, total unit is 4, and working hours is 8, so that 2240 watt hour, that is energy consumption per day for fan. Now refrigerator. Okay, that is 300 watt, and the working hours is 12, and consumption per day is 3600 watt hour. Then heater, what is 1000 watt and working hour is 2. So energy consumption per day for heater is 2000 watt hour. Okay, and last device, that is television. What is 150? Total number is 1 and working hour is 8. So that energy consumption is 1200 watt hour. Okay. So all device total energy consumption per day, after summing all this energy consumption, you get 10,360 watt hour. And if I am converting this watt hour into kilowatt, then that is 10.36 kilowatt hour. That is energy consumption per day. Okay, we know that our task is to find out daily load factor. So we have to find daily average demand and daily maximum energy consumption, maximum demand. Okay, total energy consumption per day, that is 10.36 kilowatt hour. Okay, that is our daily average consumption. Okay, now maximum energy in day, maximum energy in day. Total connected load, that is 950 watt. Okay, we find here total connected load is 950 watt and maximum demand multiply by 24. 950 multiplied by 24. So that is 46,800 watt hour. And after I'm converting watt hour into kilowatt hour, that is 46.8 kilowatt hour. That is maximum energy in a day. Okay, now daily load factor, daily load factor, that is energy of kilowatt hour consumed in a day upon maximum energy. Okay, we know that energy of kilowatt hour consumed in a day, we find here 10.36 kilowatt hour, that is per day consumption. So I am writing here 10.36 and maximum energy, maximum demand, that is 46.8 and the answer is 0.22. That is daily load factor. After calculating this, you get the answer 0.22. Okay, that is our second answer, daily load factor. Now total cost of energy for 30 days at the rate of rupees 3 per unit. Okay, so see, total cost of electrical energy for 30 days at the rate of rupees 3 per unit. Total energy consumption per day, total energy consumption per day, we already find, that is 10.36 kilowatt hour. Okay, we find here 10.36 kilowatt hour, that is energy consumption per day. Now total electrical energy consumption in 30 days, that is for day. Now 4 months, that means for 30 days total energy consumption. So we multiply 10.36 multiply by 30. The answer is 310 plus that 310.8 kilowatt hour. That is our units. Okay, we know that this one. Now we know that the cost of 1 unit is rupees 3 per unit. So that cost of electrical energy for 30 days, that is 310.8 kilowatt hour units, and cost is 3. So total cost is 932.4 rupees. That is our monthly charge, monthly cost for our energy consumption. 932.4 rupees. Okay. So here we find connected load, daily load factor and total cost of energy for 30 days at the rate of rupees 3 per unit. Okay. Thank you very much.